Waiting for lower rates feels smart, but timing rarely works perfectly. In Houston, home prices can rise while buyers wait. A lower rate later may not beat a higher price today. Monthly payments matter, but total affordability matters more. Refinancing later can help if rates drop. Buying now may also build equity sooner. The right choice depends on your budget and timeline. Focus on a comfortable payment, not market guessing. A good home at today's price can still be a strong move. Waiting is not free. It can mean higher competition and fewer choices. The best strategy is preparation, not prediction. Get pre-approved, compare scenarios, and decide with confidence.